Hello everyone and welcome back to Drama Made Simple. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of Uta Hagen's 10 object exercises. If you don't know, Uta Hagen was an American actor and teacher who developed her own strain of method acting using Stanislavski's system. She wrote a book called Respect for Acting in which she details 10 object exercises that actors can use. And this is supposed to make up for the fact that as actors, there aren't necessarily these set things that we can use to get better at, compared to musicians who can practice their scales. We don't necessarily have these. So she developed these exercises to help actors. Her book can be found on Amazon or Audible, and I actually have an Audible affiliate link in the description below, which basically means that if you want to try out Audible using the 30-day free trial, or get 3 months of Audible for 50% off. And if you use one of the links in the description below, that means that I get a small reward. With the month's membership of Audible, you get a free credit, which means that you can use this to purchase Respect for Acting and listen to it, which I highly recommend because it is an excellent book. The next few videos on this channel will be going through the other object exercises, so if you would like to see those in the future, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when those videos are uploaded. But I hope to get one up every couple of days for the next couple of weeks while we're all stuck at home, as these are the perfect exercises to be working on when you can't get to your acting class, as they don't necessarily require anybody else or anything specific outside of your home. The purpose of this exercise is to understand how to create 2 moments of your life on stage so that you can then create 2 minutes of a character's life on stage and understand what really constitutes as the kind of thoughts that you would have and the kind of actions that you do, and how that can be then related to your future work as acting as a character. So this exercise is called the Basic Object Exercise. And at the beginning of the chapter, Uta recalls 9 questions you must ask yourself in order to act. The first one is who? Who is your character? 2. Time. What time is it? The year, the century, the day, the season, the minute. All of these things are crucial. 3. Where? What country? What town? What building? What room are you in? 4. What are your surroundings? The inanimate and animate objects that surround you. 5. Given circumstances, the past, present, and future events. 6. Relationship to objects, events, and characters. 7. Objective. What do I want? 8. Obstacles. What's in my way? 9. Tactics. How do I obtain my objective? So these are the questions you need to ask yourself before you start acting. Similarly, this exercise can be used as a way to practice your acting at home. So you want to create 2 real, authentic minutes of your life on stage. This can be done by practicing at home a set activity. So give yourself an event, something that really would be occurring in your life. The important part of this exercise is not to try and pick the most exciting thing in your life, but something regular and normal that is a very real part of your life, and to try and create a short demonstration of this for 2 minutes. This should not be an improvisation. Of course, the first time that you rehearse, it will all be new, but you should be able to rehearse this and have it appear as though it's happening for the first time. So you want to ask yourself all of those questions that I just mentioned, apart from, of course, who, as you probably know this already. But everything else can be asked, as it could be a past event, but something that would have been very authentic for your life. So from this rehearsal process, you will eventually be able to create these 2 real minutes of your life as part of your acting. And once that's ready, you can share that with others. If you have maybe an acting group that you work with or a mastermind group online, that you can share this 2-minute slice of your life and to get feedback about how authentic people felt it was. So that is the first challenge to you, is to do so. Create 2 minutes of your life and have that for performance. So that was the first acting exercise, and in the next couple of days you will find the second. So again, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see these future videos.